Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Largo, Florida. I was just doing some stuff around the house. I just saw the FedEx guy come to the house, and I have been expecting a box from Turtle Wax. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to get. Probably many of you at this point in time, in exact time, have seen that Turtle Wax has come out with a new hybrid solutions. They've got some ceramic technology. Hope that kind of looks okay. I've been playing around with the lighting. I'm not quite sure if this is going to really work or not. But anyway, I just want to, this is kind of a thank you in a way. Turtle Wax I have been using since the 70s, probably mid 70s. My dad always had Turtle Wax around. I'm sure I was polishing, probably waxing my bicycle, my wagon. He got me going on the car. I think he gave me some, Turtle Wax like rubbing compound or polish, and handed me, big DeWalt polisher, rotary polisher, back around 77 or so, and had me practice on my mom's car. And then he said, when you get good enough that you don't leave behind any, buffer trails or anything like that, you can start working on my business cars. And that is really what got me into detailing. My grandfather in upstate New York owned a dealership. My dad was really into cars, and I've just kind of, I'm a car guy. I've just always been into vehicles. But Turtle Wax has always been a part of my detailing car washer, world. And I gotta say, I don't know. I have a video of using this scratch, repair, and renew that they first sent me. They reached out. I don't know. It was probably 6 months ago. Maybe more, and said, hey, if we send you something, we see that you have a YouTube channel, would you review it and put it on the channel? And I go, absolutely. And so, hey, I was happy. I got some Rain-X scratch and renew, repair and renew, sorry. And I did a video on that. It says, rub 20 times by hand. I did that. I think I put it on a DA, and then I put it on the rotary, and compared the differences. I had one of my junkyard door panels. Anyway, I was impressed, and it's a great product, right? So a couple months later, this woman, and I believe this is all from England, says, hey, would you like to try out another new product? And I said, sure. And she sent me this bottle of Exterior One waterless wash and wax, and it's kind of what they were going for was you could stick this in your vehicle when you go and take a trip, maybe with the family or the guys or whatever you're doing, and your car's dirty when you get there, and you could just do a waterless wash while you travel. And it was kind of cool. They sent me this stainless steel vacuum flask, and they gave me a little pop-up thing for the cell phone holder, and there's a little note thing. It was in this really cool packaging that almost looked like a suitcase, and it just had a bunch of stuff as if you were taking a travel. And they said, hey, if we send you this, will you do a review on it? Well, I shot a couple videos, sure enough. And you know what? They sent me a gift certificate for a bed and breakfast, or like Airbnb or something, with a discount off the price, which I thought was amazing. And I said, thank you so much. And I shot the videos. Well, a couple months ago, they said, hey, we've got a new product line coming out. Would you be interested in trying it and do a review on it on your channel? Sure thing. We're emailing back and forth. Well, I got a email. I'm sorry to be kind of so long here, but there's a point to all this, right? So I I get an email a month ago, and she says, you know what? We had you on the list. We meant to send some stuff out. This woman's name is Agnes, and I am so sorry, but we ran out of product. Now, you know, I'm a smaller channel, right? I've just, you know, do this just to kind of document my stuff. I review some things, I try some new things, I try and show some how-to, some techniques. You know, I film a very small percentage of what I actually, you know, do. Sometimes I'm at client's house. Sometimes I'm a little bit uncomfortable with, you know, pulling the camera stand or whatever, and you know, shooting videos while I'm working. But anyhow, the long and small of it is, she said, we've got this new package of stuff, and we want to send it to you. Would you be interested? And would you please do a review? And I said, absolutely, sure. You know, I start out with, you know, some scratch remover, and then I get this nice suitcase of stuff, and I get, you know, a nice discount. I mean, a monetary discount of getting into an Airbnb when I take a trip, because it's all about traveling, you know, with your waterless wash. So today the guy comes, and I gotta say, you know, it's so nice. This Turtle Wax hybrid solution line is designed for the industry's most discerning detailers, yet cleverly crafted, professional grade suite of products, most approachable on the market from ease of use and price perspective. I think Turtle Wax has really been standing up. Yes, they've been giving me some stuff, but you know, if I didn't like their stuff, I would say so. They have really stepped their game up. I mean, everyone is just ranting and raving about, you know, Turtle Wax, what, Seal and Shine. I haven't used the product myself. I've kind of loaded down with sealants and stuff like that, but you know, that thing is hot, and it's at Walmart. Everyone can buy it. But you know, check this out. It's just, everything is about, in this product line, there's 5 different products. Kind of hold that up a little better if you want to pause if you're watching. Try and get that a little better for you. But anyway, you know, shine, slickness, cleaning, convenience, protection, chemical resistance, requires water, a drying aid, or paint correction. And they give everything either no dot, 1 dot, or 2 dots on, depending on the application. But on shine, like, everything gives you shine, right? And on paint correction, only one thing, and that is the ceramic polishing wax. But, you know, just classy. I think I'll probably put this up in the garage. I don't know how much of that you can see, but, you know, it's a nice poster. And I saw the guys that got these products first, and they were, you know, the big boys out there, you know, names we all know, and doing reviews and stuff. I wanted to shoot this video basically to say thank you and to show you other detailers, and maybe you have a YouTube channel, maybe you don't, but there are nice little perks, and it's nice to get recognized. It's nice to have free products to do reviews on instead of having to go out and buy them. And the packaging on this stuff, I mean, this is what I'm blown away with. This is what I want to share with you. I don't know if the other detailers that I've seen, this is kind of an outer, you know, very heavy construction. This had to cost some bucks to put, you know, this together. Game-changing technology, right? The hybrid solutions from Turtle Wax. I have room to set this thing down. I don't think I said welcome to my kitchen, but you're in my kitchen. So this is like a you know, a storage chest, like you would have your, you know, Mac tools or something in. So you can pull out the first part of your chest, and I mean, this is heavy duty quality construction. And here's the #1 thing, right? This is the ceramic polish and wax. I am a paint correction specialist. This is what I want. It's the one that's on top. I don't know if they're all like that, but paint correction, yes, you know, convenience, shine, and slickness. So I can't wait to give this a run, and I will be doing a review on this. But that's the ceramic polish and wax. Everything has to say ceramic these days, right? We all know that. So here's the next one. And I just got this delivered to me. I just wanted to give a shout out and show you guys, because I don't know if the other detailers that have done these reviews who got them before I did, if it was even all the same stuff. I'm not watching as many videos as I used to. I spent probably a year before I started my business a couple years ago. I didn't even know there was YouTube videos about detailing 3 years ago, swear to God. But anyway, here's a spray coating, and this one is, you know, big on shine and slickness and convenience, protection, and chemical resistance, right? And you know, these are just boxes of stuff, right? I'm not going to go all crazy. Here's the wet wax. That looks really cool. That one I saw does require water, so I think it's like, you know, the hydrosilix and different things. This is the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. Waterless cleaning, intensifies shine, and adds ceramic wax protection. And lastly, I've got the game-changing technology ceramic wash and wax, and this is nice. I mean, this is a 48-ounce, you know, small jug of this wash. So I just think that, you know, like I said, they have really stepped their game up. Turtle Wax, I think, was falling behind. They probably saw that they were falling behind, and about a year ago or so, man, they really stepped up their game. And you know, they're promoting things the right way through guys that are actually testing them on the market, you know, what needs to be done. But I just wanted to share my, you know, how impressed I am of, you know, they sent me a little chest of drawers of products, and that's just amazing, and I do thank you, and a special shout out to Agnes with Turtle Wax. Like I said, I believe my emails are all shot to England, but and I saw in some of the paperwork there's 2 people to contact if I need more products or anything. One's in Liverpool and one's in, I think it was Illinois, anyway, that is just the basic gist of this. I will be using all of these products and doing some reviews and testing them out. My own personal BMW is ceramic coated, and my Honda is in need of some work. In fact, I'm going to shoot quite a few videos of the Honda Insight with 130,000 miles on a 2010 Insight. So you will see the triple white paint and what I'm going through. And I'll use all these products on it and go from there and give an honest review. So I thank you for being with me. I appreciate all of you. Do all the things you need to do, like hit that notification bell if you have not hit it yet. Please subscribe. Please share, comment, like. Tell me what you think about Turtle Wax. Let's have a discussion about it. I love the interaction with all of you. So until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful, and I will see you later.